Good morning students. I hope you all are fine and safe at home. So today we are going to continue chapter 3, which is editing in GIMP. So let's start. As you all know why we use GIMP. Basically we use GIMP to edit the images. GIMP is a photo editing software and it stands for GNU Image Manipulation Program. It is also known as GIMP. Okay, so we will start with drawing objects today. How we can draw on GIMP like MS Paint or any other painting tool. Okay, so we'll start. So we will draw object on GIMP. For that we have to go on tool menu. See, there are several menu: file, edit, select, view, image, layer, colors, tools. I'll go on the tool menu. From there I will select the paint tool. Okay, so it's my option what I would like to choose, paintbrush or pencil. For now I'm using the paint brush. Okay, I have clicked on the paintbrush. As you can see, the cursor has been turned into the paintbrush only. Okay, instead of the pointer, it has been turned into paintbrush only. Now if I would like to draw something, like I'm trying to make a hut here, so how I will draw, like we draw on the paint, same like we will draw here on GIMP. We will press the mouse and we will try to draw. Okay, so this is kind of hurt. Okay, so as you can see on this page, background color is white and the foreground color is black. So by default on GIMP, background color is white and the foreground color is black only. So now if I would like to change the foreground color, what I will do, you can see these boxes. I have to click over here to change the foreground color. If I wish to add red color, I'm choosing red from here and I'm just clicking over here. Okay, so now the foreground color is red. What is foreground color? Just see, from which we are drawing. This is foreground color. Now if I would like to make a flower, draw a flower, sorry, so I'll just draw a flower now. Just press the cursor, mouse, and just draw the flower. Okay, now if I want the leaf also, green color leaf, so I'll go on the foreground color. I will click on the foreground color, then I'll choose the green color from here. This is green, this one. Okay, now I'll click on OK. Alright, so as you can see, the foreground color is now green and background color is white. Okay, so now this is the flower. See, I can change the background color also. How I will change? I will just click on the background and okay, now when I will open the new document, so you can see the background color is purple here now. Now how we will crop the image on GIMP? First we have to choose image from here. We have to click on file, then on open. From desktop I will try to find some image. Can you see this image? If I would like to crop this image, what I'll do, I'll go on tool option. From here I'll go on the transform tool. Okay, from there I will choose the crop option. Okay, so this kind of knife, you can see instead of cursor it is showing kind of knife. Now I have to crop now. Now I have to select. If I want this part only, not above, this part of the image. Okay, can you see? Now this will be cropped. So you can see this has been cropped. Again I'm taking one more image to clarify. To select a new image, I'll do one thing. I'll open new page. Okay, so how I will choose the image? I'll go on file, then I'll go on open. Okay, I have to choose a image, so I'll go. I have some image on desktop, half face girl. Okay, from here I'm trying to choose some image. See, I've selected. So this is the image. I want to crop this. Okay, I don't want this vector stock should be shown on the image. Okay, and this extra part, I want only this portrait, this part only, the girl part only. What I'll do, see, the tool menu is the most important part of GIMP. I'll click on tool, then I'll go on transform tool, then from there I'll choose crop option. Okay, so now I'll choose the area what I would like to have. I have chosen this area only. I have just hold the mouse and drag the mouse toward down. Now I have to click over this picture to get the final result. Can you see the extra part of the image, the content that was written on the image, and this extra space has been removed? How we have done? We simply went on tools, from there transform tools, from there we have selected what? We have selected crop option. Okay, so now there's one more option, that is flip option. What is flip option? Basically, flip option, flip the image horizontally or vertically to create its mirror image. Now see, this girl face is on our right hand side from the screen. If I want to create mirror image of this girl, what we will do, we will go on the tools, then from there transform tools. Okay, from there I will choose the flip option. If I'll click over this picture over the selecting flip option, see, this girl has been shifted towards left from right. Can you see? Previously it was there. What I have done, I have go on tool, we have to go on tool, then transform tool, from there I have to choose flip. Okay, before clicking over the image there would be no changes in GIMP. You have to click over the image again. Now I am clicking over the image. Can you see the difference? This has been shifted from right to left. This is known as flipping the image. So with this chapter is over. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you so